Well, there was a spider. As you can see, there is no more spider. Good boy. Good, Enzo. That's my hunter. My sneezy hunter. Just a mere 5 minutes after the kill, we see our hunter basking in the sunspot. Or should that be the limelight? Hi, babies. How's my ferocious hunter? He's a good boy. I can't believe that he found that spider. I mean, he went right over there. It was behind my bulletin board that was propped up against the wall. And you found that spider. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, look how happy you are with yourself. I can't believe he found, wounded, killed, and ate that spider within a nano flash of a second. The spider tried to climb the cardboard box, but it was no match for the Enzo. Dun dun dun. Thanks for watching my cat video of Enzo hunting, killing, and eating a spider. If you liked this video, you may also like to watch some of my automotive videos, which is more of my bread and butter. Consider subscribing to StickShiftStudios for more videos. Have a great day.